In this video, we'll show you why we use this daily dashboard, how you can use it, and 5 ways to get more done with less time and energy. Regular planners have limitations and they were taking up too much of our precious time to use. Using this daily dashboard has really changed that for us, so we'll share with you how we use ours to cancel some of that chaos in our day. We all know the feeling of finding that beautiful planner, spending a few hours getting it all set up, and then a few weeks later it's collecting dust. Or those GoodNotes digital planners that take up as much time to create a page as it does to do the task itself. Sticky notes covering the computer monitor, all over the kitchen, bathroom mirror, missing an appointment here and there, and tasks mysteriously dropping off my to-do list before getting done caused me to create this daily dashboard. We use it each evening to set up our plan for the next day. Now, typically, digital planners are used in GoodNotes or other apps and involve lots of tabs, image placement, and all that. Yes, they're often gorgeous, but we wanted something simple, effective, and efficient. So we created this so it could be used on our phone if needed, and the tap and type boxes can be typed into just like a text message. Or you can use it on a tablet or a PC as well. It's so simple, and on days when I'm mostly at my desk, I'll print it and post it right by my desk. Days that I'm on the move, I use it on my phone. Here's how to use it. It has this pretty linen cover design and instructions on the first couple pages. These links go to all the To-Doodle-Box resources for efficient and frugal living, so those are right at your fingertips. And here's where the chaos gets canceled. This is a simple dashboard. It just has your top tasks, your goals, and your focus for the day. The free Adobe Reader app works perfectly with our digital daily dashboard, whether you're using it on your phone or on your computer. And the tabs along the side and the margin help you bounce between the pages of your planner. And if you use Google for your digital calendar, this tab right here links directly to your Google Calendar. If you decide to print your daily dashboard, those tabs won't print. This page is for your time blocks. Now you can print this or you can use it digitally. I've started a few examples here at the top, but you can type them in on your phone, tablet, or computer, or you can print this page and use highlighters and pens so you can post it up by your desk or at your command center in your kitchen. Okay, so this is the daily dashboard. It's got the must-dos, the should-dos, the could-dos, a space for joy, a place to write your menu, your goals and actions toward your goals, scripture focus down here, and this section is for joy and taking care of your body. Now for those 5 productive living tips, here we go. Number 1, top tasks and goals for the day. You know, if nothing else gets accomplished, what's the main idea for your day? So this page is for getting yourself pointed in the right direction and helping you stay on track and avoid getting derailed with less important stuff during your day. Number 2 is time blocking. Here we'll get a little more specific. On this next page, we can set up our time blocks. Maybe they change daily, or maybe this page stays mostly the same for you each day. Setting up time blocks is useful for creating habits and a productive rhythm to your day. This, plus a timer, super effective way to stay focused. Okay, so number 3 is batching tasks. This helps us to get more done and be efficient. It helps clear the distractions and prevents us from bouncing from task to task and wasting our time. Constantly moving between various tasks and activities causes us to refocus our mind and sometimes even physically move from place to place each time. I'm guilty of this one. If I didn't use this dashboard, I could get a full workout in just doing the stairs by bouncing between tasks. Number 4, track progress. Next, we can really hone in on our day. The next 2 pages help us to see all the aspects of our day in one place. This keeps it all in the same spot so we have an overview of what we've accomplished and what still needs to be done. Now, of course, you don't need to use every single box, but if there's an area where you're trying to improve or you want to track, this works great for that. And number 5, rest and recharge. We're more productive when we allow for rest and joy. So, on this page of the dashboard, you'll find reminders for taking care of your body, planning time for joy, and nurturing your spirit. This is a great place to plan your morning quiet time and record your prayers. Also, this section is where we do our brain dumping. If there's something on our minds that we need to remember or want to visit later, we just record it here so we don't let that slip away, yet it doesn't consume time in the day if it doesn't align with our day's focus. So I hope you'll go grab your free planner and use these 5 tips for purposeful, productive living. Thanks for watching.